Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sake Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find games on your PlayStation 5 and also view the hidden games. So if you can't find the games, what you want to do is go on over to the game library right here. Then if you use the D-pad and you go to the top, installed is the games that are currently on your PlayStation 5 hard drive. Then if we go to the top and we go over to the collection, these are all the games that we bought on our PlayStation 5 account or the PlayStation 4 or 3, and they can be showing up under this list. Now we can go to the left here and go to sort by, and we can sort by most recent A to Z or the purchase date. So I typically leave mine on the most recent, and then I can scroll on down and find the game under here. Now if you're scrolling and you do not find the game under this list, the game could be hidden. So if I press options on a game and then go to hide all items, don't show these items in the library, it's going to go ahead and hide this specific game. Now to see the hidden games, if we go backward, the sort and filters option, we want to go down to hidden items, check mark this, and you can see all the games I hid on my PS5. So here's multiverses, I'm going to select it and unhide it. So if you did hide a game by accident, it may be showing up under this list. So check the hidden items and go back to sort by and go to hidden items and uncheck mark that. Then also if you go back to the home screen and you go up to the top, you can go to the search item right here and you can just type in the game manually and see if it comes up. So let's type in Rayman's Legends and see if that pops up. So here's Rayman's Legends. It says it's in my library. I can go ahead and select it, I can download it, and I can start playing. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Sake Studios.